Alam mo kung ano yung napapansin ko? Ang daming gustong pumasok sa freelancing, ang daming gustong maging VA, pero yung tanong agad, paano po, how to start, paano ako magkakaroon ng $2,000 per month na sahod, anong niche ang pinakamataas ang sahod. Okay, hinga, okay, let's pause there. Before the $2,000 per month, before the $5 per hour, before the rate, before the work from home lifestyle, let's talk reality. Freelancing is not a raffle draw. It's not a magic link. It's not apply ngayon, sahod next month. It is a business. Dahil kung sinasabi, it is a business. And when you start a business, you need to invest. May puhunan. Hindi lang pera ang tinutukoy ko dito, pati effort. Okay, you need proper equipment, laptop or computer, hindi cellphone lang. Stable internet, hindi yung nawawala kapag umuulan. You need skills. Pwede mong matutunang free online ng skills. Marami niyan. Pwede ka rin namang mag-course, mag-paid course kung gusto mo ng structured guidance. You need tools. Some platforms charge to apply, okay? Some software have paid versions. Every productivity tools have limits if you're just into the free version. Zero investment tapos gusto mo ng $2,000 a month? Nahihibang ka ba? Every traditional jobs require investment. Magpaprint ng resume, government requirements, pamasahe, time spent waiting in interviews. Nothing worthwhile is zero effort. And here's something most people don't wanna hear. Freelancing rewards initiative. Clients won't chase you. They won't train you from scratch unless that's the arrangement. Bihirang mangyari yun. They won't explain instructions 5 times. If you struggle to read details carefully, follow directions, or research things on your own, nag-i-struggle ka sa field na to. Siguro years ago, especially during nung nag-i-start ako, maybe, yes, clients were more open to beginners with zero skills. Today, competition is high. If I'm a client, why would someone pay you if you can't deliver value yet? This isn't to discourage you, okay? This is to protect you from false expectations. Freelancing works. Yes, it works. You can earn $2,000 per month, even more. But it's built, not wished into existence. Kailangan mo mag-effort. So, if you really want it, you need to be ready to study, to practice, to improve, to invest time, invest effort. Sometimes you even need to invest money. Okay? So you need to take responsibility. Hindi yung tanong lang ng tanong. Don't just ask randomly. You need to build with intention. That's the difference, okay? That's the real version of freelancing. Are you ready?